Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another little modification, let's say. Today I have OMT Orion Motor Tech heavy duty tailgate shock. Easy assembly, no drilling, yep. Got it off Amazon. It ran me $17 or so. 18, I don't know. I'll post it right up in here somewhere probably, and we'll go over it. I'm pretty sure it's for other trucks also, but this right here is for a 09 to 18 Ram. What we're gonna do today is I'm gonna put this on like I don't have the slightest clue how to do this, and only thing I'm going to do is open this box like I did. I'm going to pull out this guy right here. Instructions. Y'all saying, oh no, Marty. Oh no, you're a man. You don't need instructions. Well, behind closed doors, we always look at that paper. We do. You know we do. Let's just leave it at that. Well, let's start by looking at this, and it says Tailgate Assist Shock TAS-0301 Instruction Manual. Now I know by the time I get started on this, there's going to be a car coming by. Okay, it says fitment is for a 2009 through 2016 Ram 15, 25, and 3500. Parts list. Let's go to the parts list. And there goes my phone. Okay, let's go through the parts list here. We have one shock. Alright, next. We have one mounting plate. One ball mount. There's a ball mount. Torque wrench. And let's see. A nut cert. But this right here will go on the tailgate. Nut cert. Cable clip. Probably won't use that. And a Mylar sheet, which is inside. And then we have some red Loctite. Alright, on here, but it says required but not included. A 10mm wrench. A 13mm wrench. M4 and M5 wrenches. Flathead screwdriver, tape measure, and pliers. And here comes another vehicle. Let me go get a tape measure and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. And let's say that car right there sounded like crap. Tape measure. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to have an Allen for that guy. There. See? I do it like we're going to do it. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. And what I done is I wound up grabbing Allen's also for the nut cert while I was up there. Okay, now let's get into some instructions. Installation. Adjust the washer and nut cert tool so it's positioned 3/4 from the head of the bolt. So, what we're going to do here, we're going to leave a nut right there. And it says 3/4 of an inch. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there it is right at 3/4 of an inch. Okay. Now, where this right here wants to go, we're going to come over here and we're going to insert this guy right there. It's going to take a little bit of force, but there it is. Alright. Now, next thing this thing says, install the nut opening in the tailgate hinge with an M5 hex wrench and a 10mm wrench. Tighten the nut 360 degrees at least 9 times. Mark the nut counter before the revolutions. After 9 revolutions, the nut can still move or rotate. Continue to tighten an extra 1 to 2 revolutions. Check the nut check to see if the nut is secure once more and continue tightening if needed. Remove the nut tool and the installation is complete for the nut. Okay, so we're going to take a 10mm, 10 monkey meter. Now here's the thing. I'm going to tell y'all, and y'all know this as well as I do, it's a 10. It's a 10. So by the time this job is done, this 10, we won't be able to find it. And if y'all have not worked on anything, y'all would not get that. So let's see here. What we got? It's 5. Yep. So we're going to tighten this nut down. Right like so. See that? We're going to tighten that nut down. Like that. I'm going to apply pressure here. Let's see if we can't get y'all adjusted. Ooh, too much. There we go. Alright, now let's see if y'all can see that. So I'm going to hold in on this, hold this, take a 10, and start tightening this rascal down, which I have a feeling it's going to have to be like this. There's that. And then here we go. You know, honestly, it wouldn't hurt if I sped this video up a little bit on this part. Which I'm going to tell you something, guys. I'm not I'm not counting the revolutions, because that right there is probably just 1 revolution. If y'all had a ratchet wrench, it might make it a whole lot faster. This is a pretty neat little apparatus they got going on here. Sorry, didn't mean to hit y'all. Hopefully y'all can see what is going on here. I took this right here, kind of propped it up against the bumper. That way I'm not sitting here fighting that, and I can just turn this nut. 9 revolutions, huh? We need to speed up the video. Uh-oh. We're getting some resistance. Look at the resistance. Ooh, yeah, she's getting tighter. I don't think that was 9 revolutions. Probably 6. But we'll call it 9. Let's make sure. Yes, nice and tight. Now, we're going to take this nut. Whew, drop it in the yard. That's good. Let's get on lawnmower tire. We're going to unscrew this guy. You know, here's the thing, guys. If I can do it, y'all can do it. Just remember that. I'm nothing special. Well, nothing special, so I say. If I can do it, you can do it. And probably do it a little bit better. You know why? Because I've already showed you how to do it. But y'all know what's going to happen. Somebody's going to dislike this video and say, you're doing it wrong. I don't care. Okay. Nutsert is inserted. Let's get y'all back up here for you can look at everybody again. Alright. And you're back. And of course we have everybody's freaking hound out here going to be barking. That's wonderful. That's one of them deals they need to control their hounds. Alright. Since that is done, remove the tailgate cable from the cable bolt. Then use the included Torx wrench or a T45 Torx socket to remove the cable bolt. You know where that's at. Okay, as you're looking, see this? This right here is your I fell down there. Wait for his car to pass. Tailgate cable. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly raise up on this so it comes out. Now it says that this is provided the Torx wrench bolt remover hex thingy. There's that. There's that. See, it can happen, but Marty is going to go a little bit faster than this. It is out. Saves y'all some time. Now, this right here is telling me, take this guy, which is your ball mount. And we're going to put this guy right there. And then we're going to put this guy right back in here. Right like so. Get it? Look there. That right there is done. Now, see, here's the thing. I told y'all I was a man. And granted, I'm reading directions, looking at them, saying I've done skipped a part. Can you believe that? This guy, this right here is your ball mount. Where this ball mount goes, see the threads? Remember that insert that we put in? Well, guess what? That's going to go right here like so. Ooh, there you go. It's going to go right in there like so. And then we're going to come over here, get a 13. 13. We're going to tighten this little guy up. Ah, right like that. Okay. Next step. Let's turn y'all over here so y'all can see what's going on. There we go. Alright, y'all should be able to see. Now, without everything going all crazy, let's go to the back side. Okay, the included Mylar sheet can prevent components from rubbing against the truck bed and tailgate and prevent parts from coming loose. We're not doing that. Cut the Mylar sheet required size with a pair of scissors. Apply the Mylar sheet. Yada, 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 yada. Attach. Nope. Okay. And the verdict is, this guy right here, let's see here. He pulls out from this way. So, take him. We're going to lift up on him. Tailgate. Slide that back on. We're going to take this guy. We're going to probably snap him on there, spin this, and let me slide y'all in the truck a little bit. Y'all just be still. Okay, good deal. It's that. These in here. Not good having y'all on the tailgate where y'all will fall. Alright, since y'all are back in here, what we're going to do is we're going to lift up on this tailgate just a little bit. Oh, there went another one. We're going to lift up on this. I thought we were going to lift up on this. Good night, son. See, this right here's the poop that we got to deal with. It's kind of odd. Directions. Remove the tailgate end from the attached cable, include torch wrench. Press the cable clip with a pair of pliers on a tailgate. I don't want to know. No. Attach the tailgate cable back to the cable bolt. Install the thicker end of the shock mount onto the mount plate. The thicker end. Okay. See what we're going to do here. Be right back. Okay, I am back. And the little smart ass comment I made of somebody saying like you're doing it wrong. Well, guess what? You would have been right. Let me give you a piece of advice. Now, whenever it's setting like this, it says put the fat end. Okay, yeah, take the thicker end of the shock onto the mount plate. What's it look like to y'all? Can y'all see that? Which end's thicker? I'd say that end be thicker, right? Wrong. This end. That's what they're talking about. This end. Thicker end. I guess because of the shock. I don't get it. But if it's up like this, it looks identical. I messed up. I did read instructions, but they were not very clear. Anywho, let's see if we can't put this rascal right here back in. Alright. I had to take it off, go get a pair of pliers, and pry this thing right here up out of there. And trust me, it was not fun. Thinking you was gonna break something. So I get to put this rascal on again. Man, I'm telling you what, by the time that I get done with this, how many times I've took this thing off and put it back on, I'm gonna be an expert. I never claim to know how to do things correctly. But guys, all joking aside, this right here is a learning curve for everybody. Y'all wouldn't be watching this video if y'all knew how to do it. Well, you would. Y'all just be watching the video to see me, right? Wrong. Have y'all seen that guy on YouTube that always swears a lot and messes stuff up? Y'all need to check him out. It's Marty's Alliance. Okay, now let's see what we got going on. And I still don't know how in the world we are going to attach that. Man, that rascal right there is strong. Let me go get a pair of pliers. Okay, another tool you might need, a pair of pliers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this right around here. I'm gonna push down on this rascal. And man, you can't even move it. That is freaking real. Let's try this. Let's try putting it on here, lifting the tailgate. We're gonna get this done one way or the other. We're gonna take this guy and we're gonna push him on there, which I don't think it's wanting to freaking go. The struggle bus is real, guys. The struggle bus is real. I tell you, the cable bolt, install the thicker end of the shock mount, install the narrower end of the shock on the okay. Narrower end. I guess this is it. So we're gonna take this guy and play He-Man right quick. Make sure we put this on here the right way. Okay, it's on there. I still don't get that. I do not get that at all. Uh-oh. Oh, look at there. All right. Oh, yeah, I'm really liking this. That's a tad slower than I thought it would be. A little bit too strong, I do think. But let's check it out. Raise this guy up. Is it supposed to fall this slow? Oh, now the damn thing stopped. Well, that's $17 worth of something, I tell you. I know one thing, I'm not happy with this situation. Well, keep the tailgate there if we wanted. This little piece right here, I'm going to have to bend it because there's the cable limiter. The other allows it to slide on around, but the other has nothing to do with what is going on. Oh, great. Now the tailgate's straight up and down. Well, we can call this right here an epic fail. Everything is put on there correctly, but this is a straight up epic fail. Oh boy, here comes some more vehicles. Boy, they like CCR. Alright, I wonder if we just work with this. Yeah, boy, that's a lot better. Apparently, you have to get mad at it, cuss it a little bit, or something. But yeah, that's the situation. Alright, guys. Well, have y'all seen my trial and tribulations today? That was weird. I guess it had some kind of error or something built up in it, because that little shock, man, I couldn't even pull it apart to even get them stretched out. So we had to use our noggins. You know, me being bald, I guess the sun kind of fried my brain a little bit. But other than that, man, I believe the next thing we're going to do is probably going to be... well, anyways, after the other shut off on me, the next thing we're going to do is the windshield air shades. So I'm about to get this buttoned up. Y'all have fun. Be safe. Love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. You know, I ain't got to tell you because I don't want to be the one that pushes the politicking. So other than that, y'all know what I'm going to say, right? With friends, family, and alliance like y'all guys, everything's possible. All right, guys. Good night. Love y'all. Thanks. Bye.